So where are we off to today?
Ikea. Two reasons primarily. One is obviously meatballs. That is the primary reason why anyone goes to Ikea, all about the meatballs. Secondly, as you know, we've had a lot of Z390 content and RTX 2080, 2080 Ti, 2070 content. And in the background of all of our videos, obviously we have shelving units. Well, I'm running out of space, so we need to move the studio around and essentially get some more shelves. Now, I'm going to attempt to pronounce the shelves in the best way possible based on the spelling. They're called Fajaukinj. I'm sure there's probably a Swedish way of sort of, you know, actually pronouncing it. It's probably something really posh and fancy, like Fajinj or something like that. But yeah, that was my attempt at Swedish. But yeah, we're going to call it Fajaukinj. So I need to go and get a few more of them, pick up a few bits and bobs, and then get back to the studio and essentially move everything around. So just to make room for all the Z390 boards, all the RTX cards. Yeah, it's going to take a little while, but you know, who doesn't love a trip to Ikea? You know, as an adult, I've sort of learned it's like a playground for kids. So yeah, let's do this.
Look, I found Alex. Alex got big. I swear he was never this tall. Alex.
So I'm pretty sure they put this up so kids don't go up there, but I kind of want to go up there, so... So here I am in my new office. We've got the top of the line laptop, as you can see. This is actually the keyless edition. So it has no keys.
Fred? Fred, is that you? Fajaukinj. Woohoo! Let's get him.
This thing is not easy to steer. 1219. Where's my drawers? Where are my drawers? Fajaukinj. Seriously, if someone actually knows how to pronounce this, please let me know, because I'm just going to keep calling it Fajaukinj. So we got everything into the car. Well, you can see it's handy having an estate car. It's actually turned out to be a really nice day as well, which hasn't helped. I feel absolutely drained now, but it's time to get back to the studio, start building this all up, and hopefully it all fits. So we're back from Ikea, and I guess now really it comes down to stripping down the old shelves to make room for new shelves. But it's not so much new shelves, it's more shelves. So I've actually bought exactly the same shelves as what we've got here for Fajaukinj. And we're just gonna kind of move stuff around and have a few more shelves, because I've got so many Z390 motherboards, so many RTX cards that we just need extra space for it. So starting with the table, let's get it out of the way. So as you can see, we've now moved everything pretty much out of the studio. We've still got all the lights and things like that in here, but now we've actually got to build the new furniture. We've got to put up a blind, because as you can see now, we do actually have access to a window, which is really going to help us with lighting and stuff like that. So yeah, it's going to be a very long day. That's why we actually waited until the next day to kind of carry on with this. So yeah, I guess let's get to it. Roll the montage. So now that we've got all the shelves out of the way, it's time to build up another desk. Now, the guys at Furner have been really good to us again. Now, if you haven't seen it already, it is worthwhile checking out the review that we did on the Furner desk. It's basically an automatic desk, so you can sort of height adjust it using the electronic part of it. So it has motors in there, and what they've actually done is they've developed a new desk in conjunction with a new factory in Taiwan, where essentially it has a better motor, the legs are ever so slightly different, and it's just an all-around better product for the end user. So let's take that out, have a little look, and start building it.
I'll give you my heart, you can crush it, moving on. I'll be on my way if you want it. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag.
So guys, as you can see, we've pretty much got everything how we want it. It's not 100% sort of there, and you can see there are a few changes compared to how we used to have it. I'm sure you agree, it used to be, it was functional, but it wasn't kind of, you know, to the same level as what we've got now. So what you'll see is that we have got a desk behind us, which is going to be perfect for kind of our in-progress builds. So you can see I've already got a few chassis there. I've got the Taku, which we've got a video coming up on soon, and a few other bits and bobs, including the drone, which is currently the bane of my life, but you'll see exactly what's going on with that. As you can see, we have also got some Lifex or Lifex light strips behind there as well, just to give it a little bit of glow. We've got our lights here as well with the added LED RGB bulbs as well. So lots of stuff going on. I'm hoping, like I say, this is going to mean we can be a bit more productive, having kind of the desk in front and the desk behind, but there are still a few tweaks that we need to do. I'm going to be completely honest, I did kind of copy JayzTwoCents. It kind of made sense. It kind of made sense to do it purely because it just gives us more space to work with. So yeah, we're hopefully going to be upgrading some of our camera equipment soon as well, changing up the lens, and just trying to make things, you know, a better experience for you guys. Hopefully, you know, it all pays off, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Also, let me know if you enjoy these types of videos, the kind of vlog-esque style with mixtures of like time lapses and montage and kind of all that stuff, or if you just prefer our normal kind of, you know, B-roll stuff with A-roll and, you know, really kind of concise and to the point. If you do like the vlogs, obviously I'll carry on doing them, and yeah, we have to try and think of some different reasons and scenarios to do the vlogs, but I'm sure you agree that this was kind of, you know, a good opportunity to do something to show you guys a little bit of behind the scenes. So I don't want to ramble on any much longer than that. I guess we're going to finish this video with some glam shots of all of the shelves in all of their glory, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later, guys. Bye bye.